Before beginning the installation, check to verify that you have all parts present according to the bill of material located on the first page of the instructions. If something is missing, call tech support at 1-800-486-0999. Locate your vehicle's battery and disconnect the negative battery cable. This resets the computers and clears old airflow data to prevent errors. Remove the oil cap, then remove the engine cover. Reinstall the oil cap after the engine cover has been removed. Remove line from duct. Unclip the mass airflow sensor. Loosen both hose clamps using an 8mm socket. Carefully remove stock air duct. Pull up on the plastic clip located on the top left stud. Remove nut from each stud using a deep 10mm socket. Pull stock airbox from car. Remove the gray bolt located in the front left corner of engine bay using a 10mm socket. Remove mass airflow sensor from stock box using a T20 Torx bit. Install the PowerCore filter onto adapter and tighten using an 8mm socket. Install supplied bracket onto the Corsa airbox and tighten using a 7/16 socket and wrench. Insert box into car by pushing the fitting into factory grommet. Make sure supplied bracket goes over the rear stud. Tighten bracket with a factory nut using a deep 10mm socket. Install mass airflow sensor into Corsa duct using supplied screws and gasket. Install hump hose with two number 64 clamps onto the Corsa air duct, but do not tighten them. Install the 4-inch straight sleeve onto the throttle body with two number 64 clamps, but do not tighten. Push air duct into adapter, then into the 4-inch straight sleeve. Tighten all clamps using an 8mm socket. Unclip and remove the factory breather hose. Install the Corsa breather hose in its place, then push the other end onto the Corsa air duct. Plug in the mass airflow sensor. Remove the oil cap and reinstall the engine cover. Now reinstall the oil cap.